Hello everyone, welcome back to Maltida Crochet. I'm so happy to be back. In the next 8 weeks, I'll be sharing with you different crochet stitches, lemon peel stitch, different things, jasmine, star stitch. Stay tuned. And before we get right into the video, I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much. Thank you, my viewers, all my returning subscribers, my new subscriber. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers on YouTube. Now to get right into the video, I'm using an acrylic yarn and my crochet hook is a 4.5mm crochet hook. So what I'm teaching today is how to crochet a lemon peel stitch. Very simple. As I said, in the next 8 weeks, we're going to be doing different crochet stitches. Stay tuned every Tuesday for new tutorials. So after I slip stitch there, I'm going to go in and do a chain of 8. You can do as many chains you want. We can do a multiple of 2, sorry. So I do 8 foundational chain for this lemon peel stitch. We have 8 chains there. I'm going to chain 1, and this stitch is really simple. You're just using a single crochet and a double crochet. Now into the next stitch, after you chain 1, you go into the next stitch and do a single crochet. Into the next, you do a double crochet. Into the next stitch, you do a double crochet. So we just keep repeating this. As I said, it's a repeat row pattern. It's just single crochet, double crochet till you get to the end of the row. So we do single crochet now, and into the next stitch we do 1 double crochet. So you start with a single crochet and we'll end with a double crochet. Now I'm at the last stitch on that row, and I'm going to end with a double crochet. As you can see on my hook, I have a double crochet. So this is the first row, and to do the next row, we are going to chain 1 and turn our work around. As you can see, I turn my work around back into the first stitch. Into the first stitch, you're going to do a single crochet, starting with a single crochet, and into the next, a double crochet. And for you to know that your stitch is correct, your first single crochet would be on the double crochet from the previous row, and your double crochet will be on the single crochet from the previous row. So you see, when you want to do your double crochet in the second row, you notice that the stitch is a little bit tight because you're right on top of the single crochet from the previous row, and your single crochet will be easy because you're on the top of the double crochet from the previous row, if that makes sense. Guys, you can leave a comment in the comment section. The next crochet stitch you want me to share with you, we can go in and do an in-depth tutorial about it. Just leave a comment in the comment section, sorry, to let me know the next stitch you want me to do. So now we've finished the second row. Now we're on the third row. We chain 1, turn the work around, go back into the same stitch, into the next stitch, sorry, and do a single crochet. So we're just going to keep repeating this: single crochet, double crochet. So now I have few rows here, and you can see this is what the lemon peel stitch looks like. You can do this for your blankets, scarves, washcloths, as I said earlier on. And let me know the next stitch you want me to share with you in the next tutorial. Leave that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and share my videos. Give my videos a big thumbs up. See you in the next one.